free AI video generation tool with no restrictions at all. Whether it's text to video, image to video, or video to video, you can enjoy unlimited access for free. The tool is called LTX Video. It's open source, can be deployed locally, and is also available for free online. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to install LTX Video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at some example videos generated by LTX Video. Currently, it supports video output of up to 1080p resolution with impressive generation speed. If you have a high-performance computer, you can generate a high-quality video in under 10 seconds. For instance, with our 4090 graphics card and 24 gigabytes of VRAM, it only takes about 15 seconds to generate a 12-second video. From the demo videos, you can see that the character movements are smooth and follow basic physical rules. While it may lack the intricate details of top-tier AI video generators, it's more than enough for an open-source model. Now, let's get into the installation steps. Make sure to follow along. Step 1. Install Comfy UI. Before installing LTX Video, you need to have Comfy UI installed. If you haven't done this yet, check out our previous video for a detailed tutorial. 2. Download the LTX Video base model. Visit the LTX Video page on Hugging Face, link in the description below. If this is your first time, you'll need to log in or create an account to access the files. Scroll down to the Files and Versions section. There are 2 versions available. We recommend choosing the latest version, 0.91, for better performance and lower memory usage. Once downloaded, place the model in the following directory. Right-click the Comfy UI desktop icon and select Open File Location. Navigate to Resources, greater than Comfy UI, greater than Models, greater than Checkpoints, and paste the model file there. 3. Download clip files. If you've already set up the Stable Diffusion 3.5 model, you can skip this step. Otherwise, open the clip download link provided below. For high-performance PCs, download the FP16 file. For mid-range PCs, download the FP8 file. We recommend downloading both so you can switch between them as needed. Place the downloaded files in the clip folder, which is located just below the checkpoints folder. Once these steps are completed, the setup process is almost done. Next, we'll show you how to use LTX Video in detail. Step 1. Load the workflow in Comfy UI. Visit the LTX Video template page and download the WEBP under Text to Video. If you want to use Image to Video, download the corresponding WEBP. Drag the downloaded WEBP into the Comfy UI interface. It will automatically load the workflow. 2. Understanding the workflow. The leftmost nodes load the clip files. Use FP16 for better quality, if your PC can handle it. Otherwise, use FP8. The positive prompt and negative prompt fields are next. Be detailed with your prompts for better results. If you're unsure how to write prompts, you can copy the default ones and use tools like ChatGPT to refine them. Above the prompts, you'll find the model selection dropdown. Choose the latest version, 0.91. Adjust parameters like resolution and duration as needed, or leave them at their default values. The rightmost node is the output node. 3. Generate and save your video. Click Q to generate a sample output. Initially, it will generate an animated WEBP. To output a video, you'll need to add a new node, double-click an empty space in Comfy UI to open the node search bar. Search for Video Combine and add this node to the workflow. Delete the WebP node. Link the VAE decode node to the Video Combine node and set the output format to Video H.264 MP4. Click Q again, and in just 14 seconds, you'll have your 12-second video, which is among the fastest AI video generators. And it's free! If you like your creation, find the download option under the 3 dots at the bottom right of the video in the queue. If you think the above steps are too complicated or you don't have the corresponding equipment experience, don't worry. We have prepared an online tutorial. First, we open FAL's official website, which provides users with a certain number of free trials. After entering, search for LTX Video. The two that come out are text to video and image to video. Select what you need. Enter the prompt word, click Run below, and wait for a while before the video is automatically generated. It should be noted that there are usage restrictions. After the free times are used up, you can only pay for the experience. And that's how you install and use LTX Video. If you encounter any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and our technical team will assist you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. See you in the next one.